Hi, it's Tamara here from Transformation for Women, tamaradon.com. And this morning on my jog, I was listening to the book Thank and Grow Rich by Pam Grout. It's a book that I've listened to before, but I'm listening to it again because I love it so much. And it's all about increasing your sense of gratitude and thankfulness. And it's got a series of party games, and one of the party games is called Be a Luck Magnet. And she talks about psychology professor Richard Wiseman, who is creator of the Luck Club, and he said that lucky people aren't by chance, and they have beliefs that increase their sense of luck. And so I want to do some tapping for me, for you, to increase our sense of luck as well. And what she also mentions is that you've all heard of Murphy's Law, which is anything that can go wrong will go wrong. Well, she's reframed that to anything that can go right will go right. So we're going to be bringing that into our tapping as well. And so if you haven't tapped before with me, so all you have to do is do what I say, do what I do and say what I say. And if you don't like what I do or say, then simply don't do it. But if you do tap along with me, you agree to take responsibility for your own well-being. So we're going to start by hands in the centre of the chest and really declaring to ourselves and to the world that I am a luck magnet. And take 3 deep breaths. I am a magnet for luck. And take a deep breath. From this moment on, luck comes to me easily and effortlessly. And take a deep breath. I love luck and luck loves me. And take a deep breath. I infuse lucky energy into every cell of my body and take a deep breath. And if you were experiencing that sensation of really being lucky right now, in this moment, where would you feel it in your body? And just notice that place now. And take a deep breath. And under the nose. So for me, that lucky place in my body, it feels like it's in my heart. So if you want, you can share where it is for you by commenting. And if you were to truly feel lucky in that part of your body, what would the sensation be? So for me it would be a sense of joy and softening in my heart. So just say the words that are true for you. And if you can't feel anything, make it up. And take a deep breath. And if that joy in your heart or whatever you're feeling, if that had a colour, what colour would it be? And just take a deep breath into that colour. So for me it feels like pale pink. So infusing pale pink joy and luck into every cell, every atom, every molecule of my whole entire being. and take a deep breath. And on the thumb point, I want that sensation of luck to infuse every aspect of my being, and take a deep breath. I'm infusing even more luck into every part of my being, and take a deep breath. I'm opening my heart to even more luck coming my way, and take a deep breath. I'm opening to be unexpectedly surprised at how much luck I have today, and take a deep breath. And I'm infusing luck into the rest of my week, and take a deep breath. And I'm infusing luck into the rest of my life, and take a deep breath. And putting your hands on your heart chakra, say transform, and take a deep breath. Transform. So I'd love to hear from you how you're feeling right now, whether your sense of luck, your sense of well-being has improved. And you can repeat this video anytime you need it. You can repeat it right now in order to increase your sense of luck even more. And do share in the comments how this has helped you, how it's affected you, what luck came your way today. And if you have any questions, do put them in the message box as well, and I would love to support you in feeling even luckier. And if you want to know more about EFT and how it can support you in your life in general, do check out my website tomorrowdone.com, or check out the other videos that I have on this page, on my Facebook page, Transformation for Women, or on my YouTube channel, Tomorrow 27 UK. Bye.